Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Tariq Shahzad and today we will discuss about kidney problems and their cures. Kidney problems and their cure is a long question, but the question is in such a way that if he says that write a note on kidney problems and their cures, then you have to write both kidney stones and renal failure. And if he says that write a note on kidney stones and their cures, then you have to write only kidney stones and their cures. And if he says that write a note on renal failure and its cures, then you have to write only about renal failure and its cures. So we will only discuss here the kidney stones and their cures. Once again, this question will be in two forms: kidney problems and cure. If question is kidney problems and cures, then you have to write both kidney stones as well as renal failure, both you have to write. And if the question is only discuss kidney stones and their cures, then you have write only kidney stones and their cures. And if the question is renal failure and their cures, then you have only right to renal failure and their cure. So we will discuss in this topic only kidney stones and their cure. To express this answer in best way, you have to form small headings or titles of this question while you are solving this question. So first title you have to form is about definition, that what is the definition of kidney stones. The proper definition is not written in your book, so have you write one or two lines about the definition of kidney stone. Stony material found in one or both kidney usually cause urinary obstructions are called kidney stones. Mean kidney stone is a stony material found in one or both kidney. Stony material found in one or both kidney usually cause urinary obstructions, means it cause hurdleness or hurdles during urination, are known as kidney stone. They may be formed in kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, in any part of UTI, urinary tract. In any part of urinary tract they can be found. Next one is causes. First one title of definition of kidney stone. Next one is causes of kidney stone. Causes of kidney stone is a short question, that what are the causes of kidney stone, or this question may be in the form of define kidney stones and write its causes. So causes is a short question. You have to make small headings of causes, that hypercalcemia is the cause of kidney stones, hyperoxaluria is a cause of kidney stone. Next one is calcium phosphate is a cause of kidney stone. And next one is uric acid, is a high level of uric acid is a cause of kidney stone. Age, cause of kidney stone. Less intake of water is also a cause of kidney stone. So first of all is hypercalcemia. As you know that hyper mean high and calcemia mean calcium. High concentration of calcium in blood is known as hypercalcemia. High concentration of circulating calcium in blood is hypercalcemia. And next one is hyperoxaluria. Hyper mean high, oxaluria mean oxalate ion. High oxalate in body, which is usually found in green vegetable, means source of oxalate ion. Source of oxalate ion are green vegetable, for example tomatoes. They are the rich source of oxalate ion. Next one is calcium phosphate. Calcium and phosphate. Calcium phosphate also cause a kidney stone. When there is a disturbance in the hormonal concentration within the body, then the hormones start to releasing or absorbing minerals from bones and depositing or introducing into blood. It can also cause the kidney stone formation. Next one is uric acid. Uric acid is produced from the nitrogenous materials metabolism. It is also cause increase in the risk of kidney stone formation. Next one is age. About last age or in means large age, or after 50s or 60s, when there is less intake of water and the salts becomes concentrated into kidney, and they also leads to the formation of kidney stones. So less intake of water, when we take low amount of water than body requirement, then the salts become concentrated in our kidney. They also leads to the formation of kidney stones. Next one is type of stone. First title was definition, second title causes, and third title is types of stones. Calcium oxalate stone, around about 70% chances. Number 2, calcium phosphate stone, their chances are 15%. And next one is uric acid stone, chances are 10%. All these three risks are also comes as an MCQs. Next one is cures and treatment. Next one and last one, cures or treatment. Cures or treatment both have the same function, that cures mean treatment and treatment mean cures. Drinking plenty of water. This line is not written in your textbook, you have to write there extra line. Drinking plenty of water, about 90%, means if a person have stones, keep in mind that there are the stones are produced in all humans, but that people drink plenty of water, then these stones do not get time to become large and they are released by water. But if a person takes less intake of water, then these salt become depositing or crystallized within the kidney and they form the stone. Otherwise stone forms in round about every people, but they release continually with the water or urine as they drink plenty of water. So if you drink plenty mean a large or excess water, it can remove 90% or it can decrease 90% chances of stone formation. Next one is surgical treatment. Surgical treatment means surgery performed, operate performed, abdomen is open, then cut kidney and remove the stone, that is known as surgery and surgical method of kidney stones removal. And third one and last one is non-surgical treatment. It means that in this process no surgery is performed, no operate is performed, only from external source the kidney stones is breakdown. So non-surgical treatment, in non-surgical treatment the process is known as lithotripsy. Litho means stones and tripsy mean rubbing. Rubbing mean to make them short or to cut them or to break them. So lithotripsy, stone rubbing method used to break, means lithotripsy method used to break stones which are present in kidney, ureter and urinary bladder. Present in kidney, ureter and urinary bladder. So all these types of stones can be broken down with the help of lithotripsy, and there are only these three areas where the stone can reside. But keep in mind that stone always formed in renal or formed in kidney, but they travel from kidney to ureter or ureter to urinary bladder, and urinary bladder is the last destination of the kidney stone. And if it is not released through urethra due to its large size, so there is other options to surgical treatment or to lithotripsy, but all stones are formed within the kidney. From kidney they travel to the other part of the urinary system. So first one is lithotripsy. Lithotripsy means stone rubbing of kidney, ureter and urinary bladder. And other is its type. Make it also small headings, that what are the types of lithotripsy. In our textbook only one is type is explaining, and that is extracorporeal. It may be extracorporeal, intracorporeal, and other one or third one is hydrolytic process. So extracorporeal, extra mean outside, corporeal mean body, outside the body. Outside the body, the falling of rays is extracorporeal method. Intracorporeal, inside the body rays are ejected. And extracorporeal mean non-electrical shock waves. Non-electrical shock waves, that may be X-rays or ultrasound rays, hit to stone and stone break to sand, and released with urine. Mean for example, stones is present within the pelvic part of the kidney, then the rays put on the pelvic part of kidney, and these stone absorb the heat or energy of the radiation, and this energy causes a breakdown of stone into small pieces, and they continue to put these rays on these small pieces, and now the small pieces become to more small pieces and even like to sand. When they convert it into sand, then sand can be released along with taking plenty of water outside the body. So they change the stone into sand like appearance and take a high amount of water, and large volume of urine is produced through large volume of urine, the kidney stones can be released outside of the body. That was all about the lithotripsy, and it is more easiest and safe process as compared to surgical method. That was all about your question, kidney stones and their problems. And see my next video about renal failure and its treatment. Allah Hafiz.